From village poverty to business success. In a small village surrounded by fields, there lived a boy named Aman. His family was very poor. His father worked as a daily wage labor and his mother stitched clothes to earn a few extra rupees. Even after working all day, they barely managed to eat 2 meals. Aman studied in a government school. He didn't have fancy books, no school bag, and sometimes he even went to school barefoot. But he had one thing, a big dream. Every day he saw a businessman from the nearby town passing through the village in a big car. Aman would look at him and think, one day, I will also become successful. But people laughed at him. You don't even have money for notebooks. They said. Aman stayed quiet. He believed that hard work could change his life. After school, he helped his father in the fields. In the evening, he sold vegetables in the village market. He worked harder than boys twice his age. Yet, he never stopped studying. One day, while selling vegetables, Aman noticed something. Many villagers had to travel far just to buy small daily items like soap, oil, and biscuits. There was no proper shop in the village. An idea sparked in his mind. That night, he told his mother, "Ma, if we open a small shop, villagers won't need to travel far." His mother smiled but said, "We don't have money, son." Aman didn't give up. He started saving every rupee he earned. He stopped buying snacks. He avoided unnecessary spending. Weeks turned into months. Finally, he collected a small amount. With that money, he bought a few items: biscuits, soap, candies, and notebooks. He placed them on an old wooden table outside his house. That was his first shop. The first day, he earned very little. The second day, a little more. Some days, he earned nothing. But Aman didn't quit. He woke up early every morning. He arranged his items neatly. He spoke politely to customers. Slowly, people started trusting him. Children came for candies. Farmers bought soap and oil. Students bought notebooks. His small table turned into a wooden stall. Months later, the stall became a small shop. Aman continued saving profits. Instead of spending money, he reinvested it. He added more products: rice, flour, and other essentials. Years passed. His shop became the busiest in the village. People from nearby villages also started coming. Aman then opened another shop in a nearby town. Then another. His business grew bigger and bigger. One day, Aman returned to his village. In a big car, the same villagers who once laughed at him were now surprised. They said, "This is the same boy who sold vegetables?" Aman smiled and said, "Yes, and I never stopped dreaming." He built a large store in his village and gave jobs to many unemployed youth. He also helped poor students by giving them free notebooks and books. Aman said, "I was poor, but I never allowed poverty to stop my thinking. Hard work, patience, and consistency changed my life." Sparkle's moral of the story: no matter how poor you are, your determination and hard work can make you successful. Dreams don't need money, they need courage.